Hi everyone, it's Danielle. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode. Today I am going to touch on a question that has come up quite frequently, and I think even more so as of late, given some of the volatility we've been seeing in the stock market. And investors that haven't diversified are starting to look at other asset classes to potentially invest into, whether that's venture capital, private equity, or for this example, commercial real estate. And for those that are just dipping their toe into commercial real estate, they're obviously assessing the ways in which they can invest. And by that, I mean the asset type. So whether that's mobile homes, which is a popular one, storage facilities or storage units, self-storage. And another big one that is kind of popping up is that build to rent single family. And as they're really looking to educate themselves on the pros and cons between each of those potential investments, they are asking why apartments or why multifamily. And I am going to tackle today just two main reasons. There are several, but I just want to really touch on two. The first one is cash flow. So I have actually discussed this on past episodes, but a big one is economies of scale and the stability in cash flow on a 400 unit apartment complex versus a single family rental, for example. 1 month of vacancy in a single family means you have a donut on the month for cash flow. Now, when you're looking at a 400 unit apartment, and you're looking to achieve, let's say, 95% occupancy, you can have up to 20 units vacant for that month and still achieve that stable level of cash flow based on the occupancy. Another big reason, or the second big one, is the resiliency of the asset. So, and by that I mean really the historical track record on how apartments or multifamily have performed. And if you look at the past 20 to 25 years, multifamily has outperformed all other commercial real estate assets. And just like if you're evaluating a potential sponsor or syndicator, you are going to evaluate their track record. And so as an investor diving into an asset class as a whole, it's imperative that you understand the behavior of the actual underlying asset that you're investing into. And so again, looking back 20, 25 years, multifamily has outperformed all other commercial assets. And as part of that, and a reason just for access to that stability of return, you'll see there's a lot of institutional capital in apartments, everything from insurance companies to large public pensions, public and private REITs. And so again, if you are a potential investor asking me why apartments, between cash flow and resiliency of the asset, that is my response as to why one should potentially consider an investment. So I know there's a lot more that we could have touched on. So if you'd like to discuss this further, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to connect with you and learn just a bit more about each of you. So thanks again for tuning in, and join me next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.